Hi, I'm Tom Spiggle with the Spiggle Law Firm, where we help women who've been fired or afraid that they might be. And today I want to talk to you about the Virginia election. You may have seen that the Democrats took control of all three branches of government in Virginia as effective today. And there are three things I want you to know about state-level employment law. And that is that state-level employment law can be radically different from state to state. As unfair as it may seem, you have completely different rights if you are here in Arlington, Virginia, than if you are 10 miles across the bridge in Washington, D.C., where they have much stronger state-level employment law rights. The second thing to know about state-level rights is that they can be stronger in some cases than federal law. It's not the case here in Virginia. We'll see what the Democratic legislature does with it now. But in many cases, like in places like D.C., with the D.C. Human Rights Act, you actually have more rights under that state law than you do under comparable federal anti-discrimination law. So we'll see what Virginia does in terms of enacting new state law. The third benefit that you can have under state employment discrimination law or any state employment law is that you can bring these actions in state court. What's the advantage there? You're much likely as an employee to get kicked out of court by the defendant in state court than you are in federal court. Why is that? Well, in federal court, to get not too much in the weeds, but in federal court they have something called summary judgment, where the defendant can request that the court kick the case out at a certain level, and unfortunately it happens quite frequently in federal court. That happens much less frequently in state court. So we'll see what happens in Virginia. I am hopeful we'll get much stronger state laws here, because right now the employment laws in Virginia, at least at the state level, are very weak. You still have federal law rights, but the state level laws are pretty weak, and we're hoping for stronger ones. So fingers crossed. If you'd like to get more information on this subject, check out the links in the description, and thanks for joining me today.